Hello guys, welcome back to Game Here. Today we'll be playing Emergency Landing by Eagle Studios, I'm pretty sure. Okay, it is made by, one second, Black Eagle Industries. Okay, so it was Black Eagle Industries. Okay, and let's see, Corsair Airlines. It's a Tupolev. Okay, I'm pretty much in the aisle seat. This seat, I wanna sit somewhere else. I wanna sit somewhere else. Please give me window. Oh, close. Ah, way better. Oh, this is a full aisle for myself. So as you can see, there's a pilot there. There's a person. There's a few people. This looks like the German flag. Not gonna lie. Corsair. Nice. It's a Russian plane, like a Soviet plane, registered in. Can't make out that country. Registered in some country. Looks like Belgium but different colors. And has like a German flag design. Like livery. That is like really weird. Oh, we have a engine like a prop strike. Hey, the fire looks really good now in the game. Never thought it'd be that good in the game. I'll be surviving a few disasters, like what do you say, plane crashes, and then we'll end the video with that. Wing fire. Okay, as you can see, wing fire is just fire in the wing. You can tell by the name. Who launched a flare from inside the plane? We're doomed. What? We are descending very rapidly. I think the pilot is trying his best. If I were the pilot, I'd put the gear down. Oh, damn. Speak of the devil. Gear down. With the moment I said I would put the gear down right now. It's like he's listening to me, but then I would turn off one of these engines on the right side of the plane, keep it level for some time. If we can do that. And instead of putting the wing at risk, I would first put the gear first, because I would not want a gear like wing strike right now, because oh, we have touched the ground. This is a gear collapse. I don't see any gear collapse. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I need to run. Okay, I have escaped. Looks like the middle part of the plane flipped. Looks like only some people survived. One of my hands is stuck, like what do you say, broken, but not much. Let's just say that. Let's explore the wreckage of this. So you can see an ambulance. I don't know what is it so early. I think that's the main fuselage of the aircraft. The Tupolev 144. We found the landing gear. I think this is the engine that got caught fire. Or this one. Not sure. Bunch of seats. Found some cargo. Wait, what? Oliver Murphy. Looks like the wreckage ends somewhere here. Yeah, the wreckage ends here. Oh no, there's more wreckage that way if I'm sure. I can't seem to find the cockpit. Just fuselage pieces. This part just got chipped off. I think this is the cockpit? Yeah, this is the cockpit. Huh? Let's explore the cockpit from what? I wanna explore the cockpit. It's like, okay, it's burning me? What? Oh, my hand is turned charred. There's still fire. Looks like if you're in the cockpit, you would instantly die. I somehow survived. Hmm. I'm gonna revive. Looks like she was in the front. Looks like I just revived someone. Oliver Murphy's just there. It's a one row of seats. Looks like this is what kept the. You good? Looks like this guy would have died in real life. So I'm one of the survivors. Looks like a lot of people survived, except most of the casualties are in the front. Alex 7J7? What do you mean impossible? We'll see. Okay, let's go to the plane, guys. Oh no. Okay. Let me look for a free row of seats because I really want to sit alone. This is an army. Why is everyone wearing camo? This is don't know that country. It looks discolored. That looks like the Jamaican flag, but discolored. As everyone's wearing camo. Yeah, this is the US Army. What? Am I wearing camo? No, I'm not. Well, the plane, the takeoff seems to be good. Oh, overload. I think it's gonna do one of the National 102 crashes because it managed to take off, but I don't think it'll manage to stay in the air for long. Because, like, we are barely gaining any altitude. What do you mean? Okay, so I think we are gonna get. Wait, foam? Air from icing? Oh, this is bad. I would right now. I would do an emergency landing if I was the pilot. Engine bleed fault. Oh, I think the engines are pretty much gonna die. Engine bleed. Oh. Pylon weight imbalance. Okay. Z where I'm wearing a Z where. Where is my Z? What? I can't wear my what? I can't wear my oxygen mask, mate. Oh god, I'm wearing it. Oh, the plane is really struggling. Pull up. Okay, I survived. No way. Looks like a lot of people died. I just hit the ground. This used to be a 7J7. Just hit the ground. I think I'll remove my oxygen mask now. Oh, the fuel tank exploded. Oh, there's more wreckage here. I didn't see that. Oh, this is what is left of the cockpit? Oh, that's a fly-by-wire system. It's different from the yokes. Not gonna lie. Nose cone. What is that? That's wreckage. That's very far from the initial point of impact. I don't know where the runway is. It's like a few miles away if this is real life. Is that the cockpit without the nose cone? Yeah, it's the cockpit without the nose cone. I think the cockpit got ejected from there. That's the main point of impact. Why is the fire spraying that way? The fire is here. I mean, I don't know if much people survived the crash. Oh, this guy survived. Some people survived. Bro, you're walking like nothing just happened. General, what? This is definitely on a military plane, man. Wait, this is the main tail. Like, this considers with the vertical stabilizer and both horizontal stabilizers. This is the vertical stabilizer, that's the horizontal stabilizer. What is this? Is this an engine? Or just a blob of nothingness? Wait a second. Yeah, I'm still recording. Yeah, good. Wait. No one retrieved the flight data recording. It was right here all along. I have 131 eaglets. I don't know what to buy. I would recommend this game if you're an aviation enthusiast. I mean, the North Cone landed here and the rest of the cockpit went there. Oh, all the wreckage just despawned. Damn. Oh, a lot of people survived. 11 survivors, 17 passengers. So looks like not many people survived. Sure. I mean, an MD-11 is CF Combi. Okay, people are going for the DC-10. ATR. I mean, ATR is pretty good. Two more flights, guys, and then I'll be ending the video. So it's a nice ATR. Looks like the Dominican Republic and Jamaican flag. I don't know. Educate me if I'm wrong. So air traffic. Oh, I see another plane there. You see that plane flying? Yeah, it's pretty easy to spot. Let's see. We have one. We have two nice pilots. Another air traffic. Oh, nice. Oh, the plane. It's not like it's heading straight towards. Nope. He's going straight towards. Yeah, no one survived that. Like, I am dead. Look at how many people died. Abandoned hope? What? Yeah, a lot of people died, definitely. What do you mean fasten your seatbelts? Half the people just died. Yeah, I'm respawning my character. What is that? I'm definitely respawning my character. Engine explode. There are still things going on. What? I literally died. No, I am not gonna go there. Wait, did I vote? Yeah. A lot of people are voting for these. I don't want the 800. I want the 707 and the 104. They're pretty good planes. Well, I think we're gonna get the 707 and the 737 800. Okay, let's see what I can buy because I want to buy something with all my eaglets. I know I won't get much, so yeah, done. Wait, where's the icon where you buy things, not tongues? Oh, it's here. I want to be an Ireland captain. Bruh, police officer. Wait, I know you buy them from somewhere. No, I don't find a place where you buy them. That's a lot of survivalists. That's a lot of eaglets. Everyone's top donor. That's a that's 100,000 eaglets. I have 100 eaglets. Latest chat log. How did they survive that? Six people survive. What? That is insane. Like six people survived that. That is more than insane. I died the moment. Busy flight. I don't see the plane. It's not that busy. Oh, it is pretty busy. Let's see what airlines we're flying on. Blue Jay. I do not know that flag. Did the wings just go up? Okay, so 191 eaglets. That's pretty good. We're taking off as we speak. Let's see. I mean, pretty nice. Let's see what the tire blowout. Oh, fuel tank puncture. Straight, man. Still a yoke. I think we should slow the aircraft down and slowly. We could have landed all that long ago. I don't blame the pilot. Sometimes the game just does it. Yeah, I think I will buckle up myself. Okay. hmm Are we gonna go straight into a mountain? I think the tire blew out. Some rubber went into the engine and caused this. Or someone already opened the evacuation doors. I am sitting in the front of the front with the person. That way it's a window seat, so and the fire is okay away from me. I think they should reduce speed and slowly dip the plane down. And depending on where the impact should first go, lightning strike. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Depending on where the impact should go, I think should go right at the tail because there's not many people there. Okay, I changed my mind. There's no one in the lavatories. Looks like someone jumped out of there. The pilot hasn't taken a dangerous decision. What? We lost our power. What? I think we lost all electricals. I think I should brace. B. Yep. Oh, we're dipping down. What? No. The pilots are gonna kill themselves as they dip down. Noticing the damage is slowly getting onto the fuselage. Nose dive. Oh, pull slow but steady. Soon I'll save up to get the pilot so then I can. Oh, it has already gone into touchdown. Safe touchdown. I just wanna. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Ryan Ireland. Wow. I really wanna jump out right now. Yeah, I think I'll jump out right about now. Open the door. Someone open the door. Open. Open. Open the door. Get out. Get out. Get out. Okay. No, 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 no. What? I need to get out of here. I think most people will survive. Oh, they're coming from the wing. That could be burning hot. First we touch down way down there, and then we somehow feel. I just saw half the people who were like, oh, he put reverse thrust. That's good at least. Touch down on that mountain. Because it was a mountain, we again had to come back up, and he slowly touched down here, and then we stopped at the edge of the mountain. Like, yeah, we went to the other side, it would be very deadly. The front nose gear just like got impaled. It's like whoever's in the fuselage in the middle right now would be probably be dead. Let me see. Oh, oh, the fire is slowly going to the other side, slowly but surely. That ain't fair. That ain't fair. That ain't fair. Okay, good. Because why won't you use Arstar? Why will we use Arstar in the first place? This is an evacuation. Wow. I mean, as you can see, the fire has spreaded into the main part. I want to explore but not go too deep because, oh my god, man. People could be trapped inside. People are literally running out of the fire. I'm not taking that risk. What if there's a survivor? I'm gonna run, take a risk. Oh, it's not that big of a fire, but then the fuel tank explosion killed a lot. Something's telling me to leave the plane because there's another fuel tank on this side, and if that explodes, the middle part would be cut into two pieces. Thankfully, the plane is still in one piece. So, we have 13 survivors, passengers 17, so 4 people died. I think I'll take the 747, man. Oh, it's 737. I read it as 747 for some reason. This is just a 400C, that's a 200C, and that's a 500. I don't see barely any differences. Domestic flight, okay. Wait, I think the cargo's in the front. Yeah. I think it's gonna be an overload. Why not? So it's going from. Let's check the information on this plane. It's flying 64 domestic, 68 people, 41 people came. It's a 737-400 combi. It's a classic. Ooh, okay. 20. No, no. Okay. Quicksand. Oh, we're cooked. Why did they choose quicksand? Out of everything, they had to choose quicksand. Don't put down the gear. What? Golden hour. Huh? Looks like a nice aircraft. Put up the gear, bro. Put up the gear. Looks like we started at a desert biome, so I have 200 eaglets. I think the plane will crash into another plane. If not, not gonna lie. Something already looks wrong. The plane was twitching. We're so far from the runway we can't even see the lights. We're still climbing. I'm sitting in dead last if I'm sure. No, I am 2 rows away from dead last. I don't wanna go to dead last. How did this guy get in the car? Like, what do you say? How do you get inside the. He's doing some weird stuff with the rudder. This plane will end in the ground horribly, I think. First of all, my nearest exit is behind me. These guys' exit is in front. APU fire. No, 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 I am not standing back here. I don't care if there's someone else in the seat as long. Oh, damn. Yeah, because there's a big fire in the back. I should have known. It was a. Oh, I think we're gonna lose a tail easily. Oh, we got people getting cooked in the back. Cooked alive. We lose a tail, we're gonna go straight down. We need. Oh no, it's the APU, right? If the engines fail, then we're cooked. Is there any other seat in the front that has. There's a free. The back part is still burning. It's like the rudders and the. What do you say? Horizontal stabilizers are still okay. We might end up on the ground soon. Oh, we've slowly been coming down. I haven't noticed a drop in altitude. Thank God I didn't stay back there, or else my exit would be behind me and it's on fire. Uh, Gear down. Thankfully, these guys knew that they had to keep the gear down. Well, those people in the start, like the first plane crash, that was pretty not survivable. I don't know how I survived the second one. The third one, you've got to be kidding me. The ATR crashed so badly. The cockpit got vaporized, if I'm sure enough. Come on, touchdown. Let's have a smooth touchdown. They're gonna butter this with the APU fire. The back just. I am right there. The back literally hit the ground. Oh, looks like this guy still isn't bracing. I need to run, I need to run. Where's the exit? Use. Shh, don't tell me the exit is blocked. Is this quicksand? Doesn't look like it. Where's the emergency slide? Let's assess the damage. Yeah, this plane is definitely gonna be written off. The plane snapped in half. The nose cone is, I think, somewhere on there. I was so close for the engine explosion. Yeah, this plane is definitely gonna go to the scrapyard or destroyed in the fire. Nose cone is gone. You. Yeah, the nose cone is definitely gone. Looks like this guy's looking for survivors anyway. That guy literally fell down. So the front gear, I think, has collapsed or sunken into the ground. I'm not sure which. Oh, damn. I want to see the damage. It literally is going downhill. Yep, the fire is spreading. The fire is spreading. Oh, hell no. I need to run, I need to run. The fire is spreading very fast. No, 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 no. Looks like I have to do. There's not jumping off. The fire has reached the cargo hold as we speak. This time it's like I'll revive you. So I am one of the survivors. So thank you guys for watching me play Emergency Landing Beta by Black Eagle Industries. I hope to see you in the next video. As if you are one of the viewers that has watched all of my videos, thank you, and see you guys in the next video.